So what if you could turn your desk setup from a dull and a dark place into this? Well, the Quntis ScreenLinear Glow Plus Monitor Light Bar is just the thing which you need to get a desk setup like this. So I've been using this monitor light bar from quite some time now, and I'm completely impressed with its quality and its performance, considering this comes at a price of around 5,000 rupees only. So one of the most important features of this light bar is that this gets a CRI 95 rating. So CRI basically means color rendering index, and this basically measures how well a light source shows the true and natural colors of the objects compared to natural sunlight. So this light bar produces the most accurate and vibrant looking colors, which will make your desk setup feel totally natural. So this light bar gets not one, not two, but three different light modes. The front light only kind of best suited for your regular work. You have your backlight only, which is a more kind of an immersive mode, giving you the best feel for movie watching or even gaming. Then you have the combined mode of both a front light and a backlight, mostly best suited for design work and design studios. I personally like the rear backlight, which gives a more immersive feel and kind of produces a natural backlight situation where it doesn't produce any strain on the eyes, because directly looking at a monitor without any surrounding light in dark rooms, that creates sort of a stress and strain on your eyes. Having this monitor light bar, especially with the backlight, creates a soothing effect and creates a relaxing effect on the eyes and doesn't put as much strain as you would have got on your eyes in a completely blacked out room. So this light bar gets a wireless remote through which you can adjust the brightness of the light and even the color temperature. Additionally, you also get a stepless adjustment and also a step-by-step adjustment for both the brightness and color temperature. So you can use either of those options if you're somebody who prefers to have a stepless adjustment to have a more soothing effect on the eyes, or if you want to jump directly to the high brightness or give it a step-by-step upgrade, you can do that as well. The remote even does get a dedicated switch for the backlight. So this light bar gets a unique asymmetrical optical design which shields the eyes from direct glare. So this ensures that your eyes are focused on the monitor and on your work rather than being distracted by the light bar. One of the most underrated features of this light bar is its patented sliding weighted clip. So this is a super practical feature of the Quntis light bar, wherein you can adjust the distance between the weight and the monitor light bar using the inbuilt sliding mechanism. The weighted clip also gets a sliding mechanism along with a sticking adhesive which will ensure that the light bar stays in place. Now all these features come together to make sure that this Quntis monitor light bar is adaptable to any type of monitor surface. It might be your irregular monitor such as the one which I have right now, or even your normal ordinary monitors, and this light bar is also adaptable to curved monitors as well. So it doesn't matter what kind of a monitor you have, a normal monitor or a curved or an irregular shaped monitor, the Quntis monitor light bar is basically adaptable to any of it. This light bar comes in a super nice packaging, and within it you also get a user manual which I would definitely recommend that you go through before you actually start using this light bar. You get the main light bar, you get the weighted clip, and you also get the wireless remote, all put together within a molded plastic packaging. You also get a USB-A to USB-C cable for powering up the light bar. So this light bar has been specifically very useful for my particular purposes because I use my work setup, my desk setup for both productivity and for gaming as well. And since I've started using it, my eyes have been totally relaxed. I'm finding it very comfortable to work, even work for long hours, because this creates such a proper and a balanced illumination across the board, across the table and the surrounding areas. Especially with the backlight, you can work for long hours without getting stressed or strained. And no matter what kind of a work you do, productivity work, design work, gaming, or even if you're a content creator, this monitor light bar, the Quntis ScreenLinear Glow Plus monitor light bar, is definitely one of the best desk accessories, desk gadgets we should actually invest in, because this is a very practical and a very useful gadget which you would really love to have on your desk. So if you are interested in grabbing this one for yourself, go ahead, check the description below. I've given you the purchase link right there. Go ahead and grab it before somebody else does. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one way or the other, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who deserve to have a super professional, a super nice and a super premium monitor light bar for their desk. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.